Hi everybody, let's do IXL, multiply a vector by a scalar. This one's not too hard. So if we have the vector -4, 1, and we wanted to get the vector 6, so if u is equal to -4, 1, and we wanted to find the vector 6u, then we would just multiply both of these by 6. So -4 times 6 is -24, and 1 times 6 is 6. It's pretty simple. Here we'll just multiply both of these components by 9. So we would get -10 times 9 is -90. 7 times 9 is 63. All right, so let's let's just go ahead and jump to the next level. Okay, this looks to be about the same. If I answer a question, let's see if I get something different. -8 times 7 is -56. -7 times 7 is -49. Okay, here it's the same thing. We're just using the I and J notation instead of the angle bracket notation. But if t is equal to 9i plus 7j, then 8t would be 72i. They already wrote the i's and the j's for you, plus 56j. So we're just multiplying the components by 8. Okay, here we would get negative. Don't forget the negatives. This is -3 times 6 is -18. And here, if you don't see a coefficient, then the coefficient is 1. And then -1j is, you can think of that as -1j, because that's the same thing as plus -1j. So -1 times 6 is -6. Let's jump to the next level. Graph 4u with its initial point at the initial point of u. Okay, so we're just going to, so here's u. The initial point of u is over here. That's where u begins. 4u would be 4 times longer. And remember, it doesn't matter where you put a vector. So we could put it over here or over here, over here, and as long as the magnitude and the direction are the same, then it would still be the same vector. That's why IXL is specifying that they want you to draw the initial point of the vector that you're going to draw at the same point where the initial point of u is. So instead of drawing it anywhere we want, they're telling us, okay, we want you to draw it over here. So let's start over here, and then we're just going to make this 4 times longer. So it looks like this has a horizontal component of 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're going to, let me just remember here that that's at 8. And then the vertical component is 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we multiply that by 4, we'll get 16. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then this was at 8. Okay, so this vector is 4 times longer than this vector. It's moving in the same direction. And IXL specified that they want the initial point of the vector that we draw to be the same as the initial point of the original vector. So you can see that we did start them in the same place here. Graph 2u with its initial point at the initial point of u. Okay, so we're just going to make this twice as long. So let's see. The horizontal component of u is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The vertical component is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to want to make this go out to 10. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we should go up 14 spaces. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so we just made this vector twice as long. So if this is the vector u, then this vector would be 2u. All right, so let's jump to the next level, see if we get something different. That's exactly the same problem that they just asked us, isn't it? Let's do this one problem and see if we get something different for the next one. So the horizontal component here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The vertical component is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also. So if we're multiplying it by 3, then we need 18. So both components would be 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, and you can see that this vector is 3 times longer than this one. Okay, negative w means it should just go in the opposite direction. So here the horizontal component was 2, and it was positive. The vertical component was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it was positive. So now we want our horizontal component to be negative 2, and the vertical component to be negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if this vector is w, then this vector would be negative w. All right. I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to end the video there. Have a great day.